With the thoughts of that shooting still heavy on all of our minds, experts say now is the time to make your mental health a top priority.
KCTV5's Janae Hancock has been talking with experts about how you can take care of yourself and your kids.
As Kansas City counted down to yet another championship parade and rally, schools prepared to close their doors so students could enjoy.
How about the sea of red? Let's hear you, baby.
So in a crowd full of red stood thousands of children, hoping to see their favorite players and possibly their favorite pop star.
There may be a very long-term impact for the kiddos who were there at the shooting yesterday.
Half of Wednesday's victims are under the age of 16, but a countless number of minors could be suffering internally.
Yeah, we know that anytime a kiddo has been exposed to traumatic events, whether that's in person, whether they witnessed a video, which we know is also very impactful, or just hear about it, is that can increase their anxiety in general. And kids who are already experiencing anxiety, it may increase it even more so, and they're probably more likely to be affected.
Other signs to look out for include trouble sleeping, angry outburst, and isolation.
I think it's just really important to make sure that every kid that was there or impacted knows that however they're feeling and however long it takes them to process this, it's okay and it's normal.
Normal. That's the top of mind for many counseling centers now. That's why KC Resolve Counseling Center is offering one free session this week to anyone affected.
We want to make sure that people have a safe place and have access to mental health services as quickly as possible to be able to process those feelings and learn good, healthy coping skills.
In Kansas City, Janae Hancock, KCTV 5 News.